Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter 7 variation practice set 7.3. Now here you can see which of the following statements are of inverse variation. The first question is given, so we have to solve the first point. What is given? First question is numbers of workers on a job and time taken by them complete the job. Okay, what is given? Numbers of workers on a job and time taken by them complete the job. So here, more the number of workers, less the time taken by them. Okay, if we have more worker, less time it will take to complete the work. Okay, if less number of workers are there, it require more time to complete the work. So here answer as the number of worker increase. Okay, if it is increase, thus the time taken by them decreases. Okay, the time taken by them is decreases. So here worker increase, time decrease. Okay, if worker decrease, the time increase. So here answer is, they ask the statement of inverse variation. Which of the following statements are of inverse variation? So it is, therefore it is an inverse variation. Now second question is given, numbers of pipes of same size to fill a tank and the time taken by them to fill the tank. Here as you can see, what is given? Numbers of pipes of same size to fill a tank and the time taken by them to fill the tank. So here, as the number of pipe increase, as the number of pipe increases, the time taken to fill the tank decrease. Okay, for example this is a tank and we have 2-3 pipes to fill the tank. Okay, so when the number of pipe increase, less time take to fill the tank. So here also, therefore it is an inverse variation. Okay, now next question. Next question is third one. Next question is what given: as the quantity of petrol increase, its cost also increase. Means in the both case increase. Here the quantity increase, the cost also increase. So here answer, it is not an inverse variation. Okay. The next question is given: as the radius of circle increase, area also increase of the circle. So for example, as you can see, if the radius is this, the circle of this size, if we take more radius, the circle also increase. In both case they are increase. So answer will be, it is not an inverse variation. Okay, so it is not an inverse variation. I hope you understand question number 1 of practice set 7.3. Now here second question is there: if 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work? Okay, so we have to find out. Question is, the solution I am going to write now. What is given? 15 workers can build a wall 48 hours. So let same work at 30 hours, they are asking 30 hours. Okay, so how many workers will be required to do the same work at 30 hours? See here, if 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? This is the question. Now solution I am writing here. Let the number of workers be n. Okay, and the time to build a wall in hour be t. Okay, now the number of, therefore the number of workers varies inversely as the time t in hour. Okay, now making n inversely varies to t. Here k is constant. Now n into t equal to k. It's a equation of variation. Now here what is given? N is given N is given 15 and T is given 48 hours. So equation is what? N into T equal to K. Now N is 15 into 48 equal to K. Now therefore K is 720. When we multiply 15 with 48 we will get 720. It's a constant of variation. Okay, now NT equal to 720. It's a equation of variation. We got equation of variation. Now what is given here? How many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? So we are having now next step here. We have to find N and T is given as a 30 hours. Now same equation I am going to write the inverse equation. N into T equal to K. N is, we have to find the N and T is 30 equal to K is what? 720. Now N equal to 720 upon 30. Okay, it's gone. Now here as you can see, N into 30 is equal to 720. Now N equal to 720 upon 30. Okay, we have taken numbers of worker as N and T is what? T is time to build the wall. Okay, now after dividing 3 with 72, 3 2 so 6 then 4, we got the answer N equal to 24. So this is the answer. So the statement will come 24 workers required to do the same work in 30 hours. So this is the answer for question number 2. So question number 3 is what? 120 bags of half liter milk can be filled by machine in 3 minutes. So here we have to find, if we have 1800 bags, how much time required to fill it. So I am writing solution here. Let the number of bag be X. Okay, the time required to fill it be Y. Okay, so X is inversely varies to Y. I am writing the formula X equal to K Y. Here K is constant. Okay, here K is constant. I am writing the equation of variation now, that is X upon Y equal to K. It's a equation of variation. Now here, as you can see, x is given 120 and y is given 3 minutes. Now therefore we'll see this equation xy equal to k is given. So I'm writing 120 upon 3 equal to k. Now here, as you can see, 3 is given, 4 is 0, k is equal to, we got k 40. Now here it is constant of k equal to 40 is a constant of variation. It's a constant of variation. Now x upon y equal to 40. It's a equation of variation. Now what is given? Find the time to fill such 1800 bags. Now next, here x is 1800 and y means time. We have to find out how much time required to fill 1800 such milk bag. So I'm writing here, we got the equation of variation. Here x upon y equal to 40. Now x is 1800 upon y equal to 40. Okay, then here I am writing y is equal to 1800 upon 40. This will going to be cut, then here 4 and 5. Y is equal to 45. So statement will be, I am writing here 45 minutes to fill 1800 bag. So what we require? We require 45 minutes to fill 1800 bags of half liter milk. Half liter milk. I hope you understand. So next question, question number 4. A car with speed of 60 km per hour take 8 hours to travel some distance. What should be the increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours? So here solution I am writing. Now they are asking, the car speed is 60 km per hour. It's take 8 hours to travel some distance. What should be the increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours? So I am writing here, let the speed of car be s. Okay, and the time taken to travel some distance b t. Okay, so here there is a inverse variation in the speed of time. Okay, so there is inverse variation. So I am writing S equal to K upon T. Here K is constant. Writing here S alpha K upon T. So here K is constant. Now after that, equation of variation will be St equal to K. It's a equation of variation. Here S is 60 and T is 8. So S into T equal to K. It's a equation of variation. Here S is given, therefore S into T equal to K. Here K is constant and S is given 60, multiply by 8, then we will get 480. Okay, K is equal to 480. It's a constant of variation. It's a constant of variation. Now we got the constant of variation. We will write the equation of variation, that is therefore S into T equal to 480. It's a equation of variation. Now we have to find, now what we have to find here, the increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in, what should be the increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours. So here speed we have to find and time is given 7.5 hours. Okay, now we will write the equation of variation. Here S into T equal to 480. Therefore this is the equation of variation. Now S we have to find out. T is given, T is what, 7.5 equal to 480. Okay, 7.5 is nothing but 7.5. Again, now S is equal to 480 upon 7.5. Now S is equal to what? 480 upon 7.5. Okay, now here S is equal to 480 into 10 upon 75. Will take, decimal is here, that's why we are taking. Now answer will be 64. Okay, answer is what? 64. Now here, to cover the distance, speed of car should be 64 km per hour. Okay, 64 km per hour. Now increase in speed. So if there is a increase in speed, see, there is a car with speed of 60 km per hour take 8 hours to travel same distance. So what we will do, we will minus 64 km per hour with 60 km per hour. Okay, the answer will be 4 km per hour. So answer is what? Answer is the speed of car should be 4 km per hour. This is the answer for question number 4. This is the answer for question number 4. I hope you understand. Practice set 7.3. Once you practice, it is very easy. So practice it. I hope you understand the variation chapter. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.